I just realized that I might not have ever actually told you what I'm doing. I talk about real estate private money lending all the time, but do you know what I'm actually doing big picture? Let me explain. 2.5 years ago, I started private money lending for real estate investors with my own money. And about 12 months ago, I ran out of money. So I started to look for ways that I could get access to more money. Lines of credit, credit card hacking, SBA loan. I did a few things. It kind of worked. It wasn't scalable. Maybe I got $30,000. Maybe I got $150,000, which was cool, but I'm trying to raise $5 million. You can't do that with these little lines of credit and SBA loans and credit card hacking. It's just not scalable. So about 6 months ago, I looked into it and I figured, what if I get people to give me loans? That could work. Do a promissory note between my bookkeeping business and other people. That seems legit. But I did a little bit more research, and then you start getting into this gray area of potentially selling securities. And that's also not really scalable when you kind of try to do it on your own. So, did a little bit more research, and here is where I discovered this idea of a fund, investment fund. You've probably heard of a hedge fund, private equity fund, venture capital fund, real estate fund. I have a debt fund. So I invest in mortgages, debt, private money loans for real estate investors. So that's how I learned about this, kind of by accident, just by doing my own private money loans, running out of money, trying to get more money. Now I'm raising capital legitimately. My fund is SEC compliant. I had to pay a lot of money, thousands of dollars, to an attorney to create my 506c debt fund. It's SEC compliant, and now I can raise capital from accredited investors. So now I'm offering 8% up to 12% fixed returns to investors into my fund, and then I turn around, pull money, and I deploy that the same way I've been doing for the past 2.5 years, but now I'm managing a little bit of other people's money. So full transparency, right now I have $1.3 million lent out. 160,000 of that is from other investors. The rest is my own money. About 800,000-ish is actual cash that I have, and then about 300,000-ish is from loans and lines of credit and credit cards. So all in, 1.3 million. My goal is $5 million raised